Hey guys, this is Rick from Rick's Outdoor Ventures, and today I'm working on a 2009 BMW 328. And we have a brake light, an ABS light, a service engine soon light. I think that's the dynamic traction control lights come on. I ran a diagnostic on the car, and it looks like it's going to be the speed sensor on the left front wheel. And we're going to change that out. Now I've got the front wheel already off. The sensor is actually right here, or the connection of the sensor is right there. It goes around and it's located back behind the disc, held on by a Allen head bolt. First we'll disconnect it. It has a 5mm Allen head. With the screw out, take a screwdriver and gently pry the back side of the sensor. With the sensor removed out of the hub, we can now disconnect it. Just pry it out of there like that. Also, it needs to be removed from this keeper as well. And it's got the same type keeper as the one on the strut does. Now we got the connector box. And you take your finger and pry up on the bottom of it. You got it's held on by 2 clips. Raise that out of the way. And then remove the connector from the box. With it removed from the box, we can access the little keeper here. You push that in and gently pry out. Wow, it just busted all pieces. Brittle junk. Alright. Well, unfortunately that goes through the wiring harness. It had such a tight fit. Once you put it in the box, I think it'll be okay. I have the new one here. It came from China, like most stuff does. Got this off of Amazon for about 15 bucks. They want about $150 for it from BMW, but it's had good reviews, so I'm gonna try it. We'll go back in reverse order. And unfortunately I did break that, or it broke itself. Line up the tabs. It's got a couple O-rings, so it seals pretty tight. I don't foresee any issues. Plus, it'll be locked in this box, so I'm not going to bother changing all that out. It just ain't worth it. Just insert it back in its case. Close the lid. that clip back into the keeper on the strut. Now we're going to put the sensor back in. Not the easiest to get to, so try to tighten it with your fingers as far as you can go. If you've got a socket with an Allen in it, it helps. I've got one, I just haven't got it out. Okay, it's good and tight. As you can see, the sensor did repair all the lights except for the service engine soon, and they may have nothing to do with the sensor itself, or it may clear itself. If not, I'll hook the code reader back up and see what is going on with that. But we got rid of the ABS sensor fault, so it's a success.